What do you think about digital products on Etsy versus physical? So I think a lot of people focus on digital products because that's the thing. Like, oh yeah, like everyone, if you type in like Etsy dropshipping, like no, nothing comes up. Nothing, like no one that, like nothing comes up. No, nothing comes up. So you got to think about it. If you type in like Etsy digital goods, 1,000,001 listing comes up. Oh yeah, Etsy dropshipping is the best. Blah, blah, blah. No, Etsy digital is the best. Blah, blah, blah. POD is the best. Things like this. So everyone's focusing on this thing, which realistically isn't that big of a market. It really isn't that big of a market. Like digital is not that big. Whereas it comes to Etsy, like physical products are where it is at. Like that's where most of the people come onto the platform to search for physical goods. So most people also don't know that you can do dropshipping. They aren't aware of this. No one's aware of this. So you guys are so early. I think a lot of you guys don't realize that, like how incredibly early you are. This is like Shopify dropshipping back in 2016, 2017. You're so early right now. So you've got to bear that in mind. So physical is much better because my own personal business model is focusing on where people don't look, right? If everyone's looking over here and starting businesses doing X, like I'm doing F, like I'm doing something completely different because people aren't focusing on that. And often the people aren't focusing on a particular niche because maybe it's a bit harder. But realistically, it's not that much harder because you make a lot more money because people aren't in it. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.